So yeah, my name is Saba. It's nice to meet ya. I've never met you before. Wow! So many of your guesses were so close. I have a fishtail. I'm a fish. Trust me. I'm a fish. Don't ask any other further questions. Fishy. Fishy with a very wibbly wobbly tail. Fishy fishy. Hi. Zoom! Full of zoom. This is... well... this is just... big fat tail. Yeah, I guess so. If you compare it to the size of my leg, I guess. Nice tail, thanks. Hey, Bubble! Fishy! Fishy, 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 fishy. Ah, so bouncy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Is your brain melted yet? Has your brain been melting yet? Oh, also, I can do... wait, I'm missing something. Wait, I'm missing this. This is the thing I'm missing. Blink. Sorry. A boat. Paper boat. Boat. Paper boat boat. Blink. Or... we've already seen it. You've already seen it. Meow. Tell me. Oh, tell me on day one? Tell me on day one? What in the... what in the world? Did somebody call me a Vaporeon? Vaporeon? That's a Pokemon, right? Vaporeon. Vaporeon. Because so many of you have been telling me that I'm not really a fish, which... a little rude, I'm not gonna lie. You don't even know me yet, and you're already telling me that I'm not who I say I am. What kind of fish is this? Well, I have proof. I'm a certified fish, you see. Do you have a certificate? Maybe for being a bozo, but not for being a fish. Check this out. Where is it? You wanna see my ID? I'm about to show my ID. Wait, where is my ID? Ah, there it is. No way, is that a QR code? I wanna scan it. First you gotta catch it. First you gotta catch it. Oh, oh. Oh. Don't pause the stream, that's cheating. Anyway, this is my... don't laugh at my photo, okay? I was blinking. I was mid-blink. You know how they are. You know how they are there. They don't care. Anyway. So my name is Saba. Yeah, Saba. You can call me Saba, or you can call me, Fishy. Or, like, Mackerel. Mac the fish. Mac the fish girl. Yeah. You can call me whatever you want. Really. I'm a fish, and my eyes are blue. That's all you need to know. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty accurate. Shorty. Ankle biter.